Welcome to the project demonstration of automatic power factor correction. So the main aim of this project is to correct the power factor when the power factor become low. So due to low power factor, it will causes high bill and it will draw heavy current that will damage our power supply system. In this project we are using adapter and power cable, step-down transformer, relay, bulb and bulb holder, capacitor, inductor and also PIC microcontroller, LCD display, and also using zero cross detector. So we are providing the power supply for this system using these two power supply. So it is a power cable, it takes 230 volts of power supply that will be given to this step-down transformer. And also here we can see another one, it is a adapter, it takes 230 volts of power supply from here and will give 5 volts of DC power supply. That DC power supply will be given to this PIC microcontroller. So the PIC microcontroller used only 5 volts of DC, it doesn't use less than 5 volts or more than 5 volts. So now first of all we need to give the power supply for the PIC microcontroller. After that we need to give for the system power supply. Here we can see so it is a normal power factor. So here we can see it is leading. So here we can see the power factor is 0.92. If the power factor is less than 9, then it will be lagging. So now I am adding the inductor to this power factor. So now here we can see. So if we add the inductor, then it will be automatically switch on the capacitor to maintain a power factor is more than 9. So now we can see. So now the normal power factor is 0.92. So when we add the inductor low through this switch, then automatically this power factor will be down less than 9.2. So the inductor will be affect the power factor and power also. And the capacitor will maintain a good power factor. So now if I add inductor, then it will be lagging then automatically this relay will get switched on. So due to this microcontroller heat, by this light it is restarting. So now relay is on position and we can see 0.91 lagging. When the capacitor will get switched on through this relay, this automatically power factor will be corrected. In this way this product will be works, and if the load is detached, then automatically relay will be get switched off. In this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.